Okay, strapping test number one on a 1950s Class 15 Japanese made machine. Okay, I've kicked the tension up quite a bit from what I use for regular fabric. Let's see how that does. Want our stitch length not to be too long. Okay, it's piercing the fabric easily, but we're having trouble on the pull back up. Okay, I've traded out the needle for a slightly bigger and stronger needle. Now we are using a size 16 jeans needle, and I'm going to take it a little bit slower this time too. See if that doesn't make a difference. Yes, the pull-out that seems to be the problem. Okay, this is the first test with the Singer 201. This one's not been restored yet, so it's not looking quite as stiff as the last one. But this is a heck of a machine. Let's see, I guess I'll just cut that one off. Yeah, this is some tough stuff. Okay. Trying to take it slow. This is a really fast machine. Oops. Always put the pressure foot down before you start sewing. And let's increase the tension. That's sewed real easy, but I didn't have enough tension, so it's loose on the bottom. Let's move up a 1/4 inch and do the same thing. So this one's handling it real well. See how it looks on the back. That's better. It looks like it could even use a little more tension. Okay, let's assume that you want one layer of this. Okay. Um, could still maybe use a little more attention. I may have to adjust that up just a little bit, but and here is the elastic. So I'm sewing the elastic, the foam, and webbing together. No problem whatsoever. Yeah, I think this may be the machine for you. This is the one that they call the best home sewing machine ever made. So, yeah, okay. Let me send this off to you.